Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time around here, welcome. Really appreciate everyone's support. It's a great help for my channel. And today we are going to be building a angel. We built one yesterday, which should go live over the next couple of days. So this one will be following that one. Really easy, this one. It's going to be made out of an A4 piece of paper. But before we jump into it, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. It really helps when you support it, and if you share it and leave comments and things like that, it really helps with the analytics as well. So let's jump straight into it. Right, so what we've got here is we've got an A4 piece of paper which we are going to fold in half. Like so. And then we're going to fold it in half again on the centre. Like so, and we're going to get our scissors and we're going to cut out up this line here. You can use scissors, or I'm going to use my crafting knife. Put that aside for a moment, and what you want is a piece left over like that. Next, pick up the piece of paper that you've just cut out and, without folding it in the middle, pinch it at the top, and we're going to get our scissors, and at the open end we're just going to cut just slightly off from the middle, something like that. We're going to do the same on the other side, so slightly off from the middle. And just straighten up any lines that you see a bit skewish. And that looks good. So now we're done with this piece for the moment, so we're going to put that to one side, and we're going to bring back our piece of paper, and what we're going to do is we're going to find something that's quite large and round. So I'm just going to use some tape that I've got, and we're going to just draw around half of that. So let's get approximately half, a bit more, yeah, about there, and just draw around half of that. Like so, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut that out. So with our scissors, just trace around the line that you've just drawn. like so, and then pinch that in half without actually folding it. And with the open edge towards the scissors, you're going to cut half a moon shape. Like so. Next, bring back your piece of paper that you cut out just now, and then what you're going to do is you're going to get some Pritt stick and just put a layer of Pritt stick up there like so, and then with these bits pointing up as close to the top as you can get, so it looks something like that. So next what we're going to do is we're going to get a polystyrene ball, which I've made a hole through the middle of, and I'm going to poke a pipe cleaner right the way through, and leaving about an inch to an inch and a half at the bottom. Like so, and I'm going to also put some glue down the centre of that, and at the other end as well. So I'm going to place the pipe cleaner in there like so, and then bring this up. It can be a little bit fiddly this bit, so I might have to pick it up. Then bring the bottom up. There we go. So there we have our angel with a pipe cleaner sticking out of her head. So what we're going to do now is we're going to chop off approximately that much to start with. We might have to make it a bit shorter. And we're just going to bring that forward above her head, like so. And what we're going to do is we're just going to try and make it as round as possible. And there you have your angel. Then using a piece of ribbon or string, I'm going to be using ribbon. Just double it over and poke it up. Through there like so, and then through the middle of the bit you've got on the other side. Just carefully attach it to your halo, and then just tie a knot in the end. can be a little bit fiddly when you've got little strands left. And then you've got a Christmas angel ready to decorate your Christmas tree with. And there you go, guys. I hope you liked the video. Please like, share and subscribe if you did. I really appreciate it. Leave any comments in the comment section. If there's any questions or anything like that you want to ask, please feel free. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.